We are here with the chicken. Those of you have nothing to do. Did you even know you can raise chicken here in New Jersey? Nicely. I have to clean this water. Oh, the chicken, the other ones are coming in. Oh, the rooster, you can't go in there. You don't belong in there. You should be outside. See all that corn? There's another rooster there. So, hey, this is my happy space. I didn't even know that I can do this, by the way. This is my first time doing this chicken thing, and it is so rewarding, right? I got 25 chicken, and they are still around, 25 of them, right? This one, I don't know why I think they were picking on each other. Look at this one. They pick on each other. I think the black and white ones are beautiful, so the other ones pick on them. So I just harvested the corn, and I brought them the corn. They are really happy to eat this, so we can get the eggs. I don't know how many eggs I have, but this is my happy space. Extreme. Why are you guys biting each other? You're not supposed to be doing that. Lila, you talking to me? This is a heavy space. Anyway, my beautiful chicken. Enjoy the corn, the worms, everything. The rest are outside here. A happy space. My 2-year-old said hi to you. Wambui, oh, say hello to her. Did you show her the chicken? I'm just gonna go back for her. Let her see the chicken. I wish my children were this 2 years old when I started doing this. Show her the chicken. Show her auntie's chicken. Tell her auntie has black and white chicken. She has brown chicken. She has gold and black. That one is a golden black. No, you can't come through here. Show the baby. See how chicken is eating? Tell her this is where the meat comes from. Look at this one. This one is so beautiful. The colors. See that? Look at the feathers. Oh, this is so nice. Anyway, I wanted the baby to see the chicken. The other ones are outside, roaming around, looking for worms. So let's go see the corn. Show the baby the maize. Tell the baby this is maize. Maize, the corn. We cut it. I'm done cutting. I'm going to leave now so I can go home and rest. It's been a long day. I've been up since 5. So we cut one side. Maggie, my sister, when you wake up in the morning, see how far we cut the corn. So we are here ready to go. I got some ready for my friend Ruth. And I'm going to come and finish the rest. Okay? Honestly, for me, I think what I like to do is grow my own food. I'm into eating. So, let's see the compost. So, what I decided to do is to grow my own food. This is the compost, you see? from the vegetables that we give the chicken and the chicken don't eat, so you throw it here. It's making manure. Here is the job. My goodness, wow. So let me tell you guys, the greatest, you see, I'm all milk everywhere. The greatest, it's called tragedy. I can't even say it. The greatest tragedy on humankind, on that can happen to someone that is over 18 is not knowing what you're passionate about. I've always known I like to do this, but I never had a chance because I didn't think I can actually do this until I met my friend Lila, who allowed me to use her garden to do this. This is so fulfilling. I left work at 3:30. I've been roaming out here. It's going to 6, but this is the safe space for me. This is the place I get my high. This is the place that I find tranquility, growing my own vegetables, being able to do outdoor activities bring me so much satisfaction. There is no way I can equate this to anything. I know some people maybe drink alcohol, some people smoke, some people take pain pills. Like I take ibuprofen when I'm not feeling well, you know, to go and lie to my brain that there is no pain. But for me, this is the most peaceful thing that I've done this year. So here, I was planting saga for the second time and managu. I'm not going to really enjoy the harvest because the season is ending, but at least I attempted. Now, if you come here, this corn, this particular corn here in the middle, I gave up on this corn. I was tired. I just felt so drained. You see, it didn't even make it. It did not make it completely. This corn did not even thrive because I did not invest in it. So if you don't invest in anything, do not expect to harvest. I come here on live to share my stories. That's why I call my page keeping up. Girlfriend. Why is your one listening girlfriend? Rose, what are you saying? I can't understand. Ha! There is no priceless feeling like you can get than doing what you really love to do. So now I come here to share my story, to encourage someone who is interested in doing what I'm doing, or who has passion for something but is not able to do it, to give it a try. Okay, you never know where it's going to lead you. You never know how happy you're going to feel. See, the chicken are there roaming around. There is the chicken. Alright, priceless. And I've harvested. This is my dinner. Oh, you got me something? I got something. They say go to the world and discover your passion. You will have like no stress. I lost the earring. Okay, good people, let me say goodbye to my hosts here so I can go home. But find your passion and really do it well. You'll never regret. Love yourself enough to discover your passion. That's what I'm preaching. I'm here to inspire you, I'm here to educate you, and I'm here to bring it together with people by sharing what you're doing so we can all achieve growth. Cheers.